Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 28-70mm f2 G Master lens. With its constant f2 aperture and superb quality glass, the Sony FE 28-70mm takes your standard zoom to a whole new level, delivering excellent image quality, speed and reliability. Compact in size and weighing in at just 918 grams, it becomes a smart choice for those not wanting to carry a multitude of lenses with them. Construction-wise, it's dust and moisture resistant with 20 elements in 14 groups. We've got extra low dispersion glass along with 3 super ED glass elements, 3 aspherical and 3 extreme aspherical lenses, and their nano AR coating too, all of which help to suppress chromatic aberration and effectively subdue flare and ghosting. The redefined optics also allow for corner-to-corner resolution and rendering for beautiful image quality, while the 11-blade circular aperture produces some incredibly smooth bokeh. 2 XD linear motors and internal focusing offer you fast, precise and quiet autofocus in both stills and video, and this lens is compatible with your camera's focus breathing compensation function. When paired with Sony's higher end bodies like the A9 III, your focus will keep up with your 120 frames per second burst shooting too. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: your focus mode switch, focus hold button, which you can assign your preferred functions to, focus ring, zoom smoothness switch, iris lock, aperture control ring, and the aperture click switch. Thanks to its wide aperture, this lens is pretty much suited to a wide variety of subjects. Think things like portraits, weddings, events, and video. Now, I'm not entirely sure how much of that I'm going to find around here, but this focal length also suits itself quite nicely to other things such as maybe nature, some close-up stuff, and also landscapes. So I'm going to do my best to capture a wide variety of subjects today, but more importantly, I just want to see how well this lens performs. Now, I know this lens isn't a macro lens, but thanks to its floating focus mechanism, it does offer some really high close-up performance across its entire zoom range. So let's test it out. This lens feels really nice to use. It's quick, it's responsive, and having it paired with the Sony A1 Mark II is just a really beautiful combination. I love the versatility of that constant f2 aperture, not only from a creative standpoint, but also when it comes to shooting in less than ideal lighting. If you're the type of shooter who is always carrying multiple prime lenses around with you and chopping and changing between them, then I highly recommend you check this lens out. Not only will it help you to save time and also weight, but you won't be sacrificing on that clarity and quality that you're used to. Now, if you're a hybrid shooter or somebody who predominantly shoots a lot more video than stills, let's not forget all of the features that make this lens great for video too. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony FE 28-70mm f2 G Master, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.